Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a TikTok business account and Seller Center access. This unlocks shop ads. Once done, upload your product catalog with clear images, unique SKUs, accurate prices, and inventory counts so campaigns never point to out-of-stock items. Make sure to configure billing and payout details plus two-factor authentication to avoid disruptions. These first steps establish trust, prevent disapprovals, and let you create product groups for targeting. Now you're ready to build your first campaign and choose an objective. You now create a campaign and select an objective tied to your KPI, conversions for sales, traffic to product pages, or catalog sales for dynamic ads. Next, set up ad groups with budgets, schedules, placements, and granular targeting, custom audiences, lookalikes, or interest layers to control spend. For creatives, produce vertical 9/16 videos with fast hooks, product overlays, and a single, clear CTA so viewers know what to do. Once your ad buckets are live, monitor early metrics to prune low performers and push winners. You finalize by launching and continuously optimizing. Run a/B tests on creative, CTA, pricing, and audience segments so you can quantify gains. Make sure to use conversion windows and attribution settings that reflect your sales cycle. Scale winners with campaign budget optimization, automated rules, and target ROAS or max conversions bids while maintaining profitable CPA. If an ad is disapproved or performance stalls, check policy violations, asset specs, and any catalog feed errors. Fix the issue, resubmit, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.